Welcome! Today in front of me I have the HOVERAir X1 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can remove or mount the battery on this device. So first, take your drone, and it's better if you would just fold the drone's legs or the drone's blades. Now, position it like that, and on the either sides of the battery you have those little bumps or release buttons, should I say. So press and hold them simultaneously, and you should be able, by pulling the battery to the top or upwards, you should be able to remove it without any problem at all. Now when it comes to mounting the battery back or just installing the battery, make sure to align the contact points on the drone's frame, so here they are, as well as the respective contacts on the battery. And then simply slide the battery back in, click it, and it should be good to go. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.